What's up guys, it's your girl Randy. Welcome back to my channel. Now I know I haven't uploaded any videos for you guys in a while, but I've been trying to figure out what is going on with my hair. It's been acting some type of crazy this summer, so I've been trying to figure out what to do with it. And we know with the changing of the seasons, we have to have different routines. So I had to like completely change my whole summer routine. And just FYI, if y'all hear my kids, cartoons, TV in the background, I'm sorry. Mom life, it is what it is. That's the only way you guys get videos from me. But I'm coming to you today because I want to show you guys a product I used to use in the beginning of my journey, but I haven't used it in a while, and something just told me to try it for a wash and go. So I did, and it's the easiest, I'm telling you, the easiest wash and go that you will ever try in your life, because it's a one product wash and go, and this one product is $5. Now y'all know I'm all about saving my coins, so $5, you cannot beat that. So I'm gonna show you guys what the product is. I don't know if you can see it. You might be able to see it. My camera is doing something crazy. There it is. So, the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. Now, this cream right here, it is so moisturizing, you guys. Like, it is super moisturizing for my hair. I didn't have to use, like, look at my hair. I didn't even use a gel on top of my hair. Now, I don't know how this will work for you guys with type 4 hair. You could still probably use this product, but you might have to layer it with the gel so your wash and goes will hold. But other than that, this is like the easiest wash and go, like I said, ever. And you can't beat a product for $5. So all right. I know y'all don't want to hear me keep talking, so we're just gonna hop right into this video. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning my hair so we can get this wash and go going, y'all. Anytime I do my wash and goes, I always like to section my hair off into 4 sections, so that's what you guys are gonna see me doing right now. So I'm going to take one of those larger sections and start subsectioning it into smaller portions, if that makes sense. When I'm doing my wash and goes, I like to work on smaller sections so I can really work the product in. So we're going to go in with that beautiful Cantu Curl Activating Cream, y'all. And anytime I do my wash and goes, I love for my hair to be dripping, soaking wet. As you can see, my shirt is dripping wet. I usually like to do my wash and goes in the shower because it really absorbs all the moisture from the product that you're applying. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be doing it outside of the shower so I can show you guys how I really work the product in. And you typically always get your best results with dripping, soaking wet hair, because when your hair is wet, that is your absolute natural curl pattern. So anytime that you're doing a wash and go, you always want your hair to be soaking wet and detangled. So you really want to work the product into your hair. I know y'all like, why does she keep going over this same section over and over and over? But I really like to really work that product in. And when you're working a product in, do not, please do not forget your roots, because you do not want to have all of your curl definition all at the bottom and then your roots are looking like what the heck happened. So always make sure you get those roots, guys. And as you guys can see, This product has a thick consistency. It's not really thick like a buttercream, but it's a nice consistency. And when you're working a product in, you can really tell based off of your hair how much product you're going to need to put in your hair. I'm always heavy handed, so you guys might see me double, triple, quadruple putting the product in my hair, but you always know your own hair and how much moisture you need in your hair. And even though my hair is still wet, you guys are going to see me re-wetting my hair because like I said, I like to work on soaking wet hair when doing my wash and goes. And usually you always want to have warm water in your spray bottle and not cold water, but because warm water really helps open up your pores when you're trying to get that moisture in your hair. So always work with warm water if you're not applying your product in the shower. And this is how I can tell that I'm going to have a successful wash and go because I have barely any frizz while I'm applying this product and my curl definition is already popping. And this wash and go didn't take long at all, you guys, because like I said, it's only one product. So this is my hair when I apply the product to my entire head. Like, look at that definition. One product? Come on, y'all. And these are the results after letting my hair air dry overnight. My hair is soft, it's bouncy. I didn't have a gel cast, obviously, because I didn't use any gel. So you cannot beat that curl definition for a $5 product. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. See you later, boos.